Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool SEAT. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Arona SE 2-litre TDI. Now as you can see, you do get full LED headlights as standard on this Tarraco. Walking around, I will go, and again, you can see you've got LED headlights, daytime running lights and fog lights. You've then got these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. Now of course this car is finished in dark camo, and as you can see you get rear parking sensors as well. You then get plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see just here, including your 6th and 7th seat. These are nice and easy to fold down. Simply lift, pull the toggle, and they will fold down to reveal the amount of boot room that you do get. You then also get your 3-way splitting rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor, just to make it easier for loading of any objects that are flat. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. This rear bench does slide forwards and backwards to make it easier and make it more spacious for passengers in the rear. You get full electric windows all round. Then coming into the front, as you can see, I'll just turn the ignition on now, so it's in accessory mode. You've got your drive select here, so you've got Eco, Normal, Sports and Individual. Your stop start off button is just here. You've got your auto hold and electric handbrake as well, and your engine start stop button is just above. We've got your DSG gearbox in the middle, dual climate control which can be operated on here. Then coming up to your infotainment system, it is fully touchscreen, or alternatively you can use the buttons along the bottom like so. On your media, we've got your various radio sources just there. We've then got your various media sources on the right hand side here as well. We've got Bluetooth hands-free. We've also got your full link, which allows Android Auto, MirrorLink and Apple CarPlay. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we have got your cruise control settings on the left, which you can see you got the increase, decrease, cruise control on or off, set, reset and your assist systems. You've got your distance control just below the volume as well. On the right hand side, we've got your onboard computer controls with your track select and Bluetooth hands-free. As you can see, this car has done no mileage as this is a brand new vehicle, but you do also get full automatic headlights, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Tarraco, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.